This week's discussion on connectivism is going to take place in the Nebula discussion board, which is a little bit different from what we've been using. And the reason that we're using Nebula for this week's discussion is to try and really model what the connectivist learning theory is all about, which is networks, nodes of people, groups, and devices, as you will read in this week's readings on connectivism. So to use Nebula, you simply go to the menu on the left-hand side of the page, click on Nebula, make sure that you choose the main discussion from the pull-down menu in the right top corner of the Nebula window, and you will see all of the discussion topics. Simply click on session 7 discussion, which is this week's discussion, and you'll see that one of our students in the course, Roger, actually has already posted in here. So he's got the discussion going in the standard discussion area, but it actually shows up here as a square, which is the beginning of our discussion on connectivism. So to get started, you simply click on the post from the other student, hover over it, and then you'll see the post from the person that has posted in the discussion board. Simply enter your response, and I'll delete this after I post it just to demonstrate how this works. Click submit, and now you can see my initials are here responding to the initial post. And if you hover over this, you can see what I replied to Roger, and then you can click on that and reply to me, and so on and so forth. So as the discussion grows, this network graph, as it's referred to, should also grow, hopefully modeling the connectivist learning theory. And so using this tool is really an attempt by Jessica and myself to model a learning theory using an innovative learning tool in Canvas. So enjoy it, and good luck with our Nebula discussion this week.